Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Simplified channel. In today's video, we will learn about the this keyword in Java, how it works with instance variable and whether it can access static variable using uh, using practical student class example. Okay, so in Java, this keyword is a reference to the current object uh, whose method or constructor is being called, and it commonly used to distinguish between the instance variable and parameters when they have the same name. Okay, so let's now write a Java program to demonstrate the use of this keyword and see how it interacts with the static variable. So let's create a one class student, and in this class first we declare a two instance variable, roll number and name, and then we have a static variable college that shared by all student object, and I pass the values in the this very static variable as a locommand college. Okay, now we have to make a one constructor, and in this constructor we are using this keyword to access the instance variables. Okay, so as we know that the constructor and the class name must be same, so we have to make a constructor with name student. Okay, so let's declare a one constructor student, and I pass two parameters, that is roll number and the name. Okay, now we have to access these using the this keyword. So I write this dot roll number equal to roll number, and similarly this dot name equal to name. Okay, so in this constructor we use this to assign values passed to the constructor to the current object variables. Okay, now we are declaring one method, that is a display info, and in this method we are accessing instance variable using this keyword. Okay, so I just write system dot out dot println roll number, and to print that value we are using this keyword, so I write this dot roll number. Similarly, we have to use the name with this keyword, so I write name is this dot name. Okay, now we see that we declare college as a static variable, and the value assigned is a locommand college. Okay, so we can access this static variable by two way, one by using this keyword and second by using the object also. So first I write via class, so I write student dot college. Okay, and similarly you can access this static variable using this keyword. So basically by using class is recommended, but by using this keyword is not recommended in Java. Okay, so I write college via this is this dot college. Okay, now let's declare the public static void main, and in this public static void main, inside that we are going to create two different objects. Okay, so first is a student s1 equal to new student, and here I pass the name and the roll number, so I pass first 101 and name is Kunj, and similarly the second object is new student, and here I pass roll number 102 and name is Nisha. Okay, now we have to access our defined method. Okay, so first I write student 1 information. Okay, and here I write s1 dot display info. And similarly, the system dot out dot println second student 2 information, and here I write s2 dot display info. Okay, now let's check that how this program is going to run. Okay, so I run this code, and you can see the output, that is student 1 info. And via class you can access the static variable, as well as using this keyword you can also access the static keyword. But note that via this class is not recommended in Java to access the static variable. Okay, so in this video we learn the use of this to access the current object instance variable, and you can access a static variable using this, but prefer using the class name, and static variable belong to the class, not to the object. So in this video you can get help to learn about the static keyword, and if this is helpful for you, so give it thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Java tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.